So it's time again for the final segment of yet another never-ending sports argument. Jamaican left-arm spinner Nikita Miller has taken a record 450-plus regional wickets at about 16 apiece. Now, on the other hand, Jamaica and West Indies bowling legend Michael Holding has less than half Miller's regional tally at an inferior average. So the moot point is, if given a choice to pick a strike bowler for a regional cricket match to save your life, which bowler would you choose? Nikita Miller or Michael Holding? Me pick Michael Holding, but the Google analysts say they want Nikita Miller because he's so statistically superior at the regional level. But for me, this is simple. In choosing a bowler to save my life, I must pick the better of the two bowlers. So even if Miller take 1,000 regional wickets at 10 apiece, that will not make him a better bowler than Michael Holding. So I cannot pick Miller over Holding to save my life. What the Google analysts are missing is that Michael Holding is a legendary test match bowler with 249 test wickets, which is a higher level of excellence than Nikita Miller, getting out nearly 500 full regional batsmen. So in such a life and death scenario, I must pick the legendary international performer over the regional bully. This is actually sacrilege to mention Nikita Miller. His name cannot be in any conversation about selection in any team at any time to play any level of cricket ahead of Michael Holding. It's called different levels. One up here, sir, and one down there, sir. Yes. Different levels is like the Maverick and the rest of them. Different levels. See me here, sir. I see them down here, sir.